So now we are waiting for the ferry. We are going to Starigrad. The journey takes 2 hours.
Sun bar is upstairs.
We were already very tired, but in the middle of the night we still tried to find a good spot at the other end of the island. Thanks to Hvar, narrow but long shape, there's a single road running through the middle, and at night we only came across a car or two. It was only the next morning that we realized what a fantastic place we had discovered. Seabed here was pretty full of algae. But we also found a much better spot. We will show you in the upcoming episodes. Okay, so the duck can't
Not working.
can't hold our beer. We're gonna collect some limpets and
It's a kind of snail,
yeah, after
and we will eat it.
at least we will try it. Yeah,
There is one.
there is one.
So this is a limpet. It's a kind of snail. It's not a shell. And I'd like to cook these for dinner. I tried these in Madeira. They eat it with a little bit of garlic and olive oil. It's really good.
Vera just found a
Zuzu, look what
fish,
I found.
fishing rod.
Tomorrow I'll be hunting the dinner here. Look, look, look. We've collected some, what's the name of it in English?
I don't know.
Limti. A lot of them. We will make them with a little bit of lemon juice and olive oil and garlic mix, and we will grill them.
Let's grill.
Can you bring me some wine, Tavi?
No, we are not. We are not alcoholic. We are not drunk alcoholic persons.
No, but I like wine. Please. So in the sauce, it's lemon, olive oil, some finely chopped garlic, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar.
While Vera was busy with the limpets, I whipped up a blueberry banana smoothie for the dinner. Let's take this out. Okay, the snails are ready. Let's try them.
The bigger one. You should take them with the shells.
Okay.
Like this. With the shells and like oysters. Just
It's like bubble gum.
but how is it taste?
Salty bubble
How
gum.
does it taste?
Salty bubble gum.
Tastes like any other tilimare. I like the garlic though.
If you are interested in our adventures or technical aspects of Vanlife, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram. So thanks for watching, bye!